how to add Samsung Health daily activity to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. So on the home screen here, touch and hold. Next, tap on Wallpaper Install. Then tap on the lock screen panel. From here, tap on the widget panel. Then in the pop-up screen, we scroll down and tap on Samsung Health. Then select a small widget size or a large widget size and tap on Daily Activity. Here I will select a larger widget size. Then tap on Done at the top and then go to your lock screen. Now you can see directly on your lock screen, you will be able to view your health daily activity. So at the moment there's no information because I haven't started walking yet, but if I start walking, it will display my daily activity directly from the lock screen. And that's it. So if I tap on the widget, it will take me to this screen here. Thank you for watching this video.